Hello, today we'll learn combo box in Excel. Now, take an example. If you want, person has to enter here department names. Now, if you're just given up one place in which they have to enter manually, they can enter here anything. For example, one person can enter for human resource as an HR. One person can enter full text human resource. Okay, so now at the end, if you want to work on this database on this department, first you have to correct this kind of entries, that if you have different entries for same department, like for example for HR, one person has entered HR, one person has entered human resource. Now either you have to make all as human resource or all as HR, fine, and then you can work. Or to avoid this kind of extra work, you can do what, you can provide a list to the person so that they can select from that drop down list. It will help them also, and it will make your work easier also. So now how to do that? Here you can take help from either from form controls or from Activex controls. Now under developer tab, if this developer tab is not available, how to activate, I have provided a link in which I explain how to activate this. You can have a look in that. Now click on developer tab. Here you have insert, click on it. Now you can see you have two kind of controls. One is form controls, in which you have this combo box, and one is Activex control, in which also you have this combo box control. Now there is not much big difference. It is a very basic difference, you can say, basic difference between these. And if you have taken a combo box from form control, you will have little bit less number of features. But if you have taken a combo box from Activex control, it will have more features. Fine. Take an example. For example, if you have taken a command button from form control, then you have just one event, like click. That if that button is clicked, what should happen? However, if you have taken a command button from Activex control, then there are few more events like click, double click, and there are more features, more events are there. So as per your requirement, you can select different events. Now let me take a combo box first from form control. I click on the combo box wherever you want, just drag it. Fine. Click on this property. After selecting this, click on this properties. You can say these are the properties which you can change, like size. Okay, protection you can change, control. Now control basically what list you want to display here. When you click on this option drop down button, so here either I can click on this. I have my sheet list in sheet 2, so I go to sheet 2 and select the options in this way. Fine. That is, if you have list in different sheet, then sheet name, explanation mark, and the range. Fine. Or if the list in same sheet, then simply the range, like this. Okay. Or even if you have given the name of your list, then do why you can do one thing, you just have to write a name. Now how to define a name to your list? If you want to know that, check in description, there is a link in which I explain how to give the name to the list. So I have given name to my list from A1 to A7 is DPT list. So I'll leave written DPT list. Fine, I click here. Now cell link. Now when you click on this and you select any option where you want the result to be displayed. Say for example, I click here and I say in I3. I click here and I click on OK. Fine. So if you click here, the options are here. You can select any option and you can see you're getting whatever selected. Basically, you're getting the index number. Now, human resource is the first option. That means you're getting their index one. IT is second option. It index will be two. Fine. Now under insert, let's take a combo box from Activex control. Now I click on this combo box, I drag it here. If you see, the look and feel is a little bit different. Fine. Now I select this, I right either I right click and go to properties from here, or from here. Now you can see you have a lot of properties. The properties of a combo box which you have taken from Activex control are more. You can give the name of this combo box, which you can take help while coding. Say for example, I'll give the name of this is DBT name. If you want to give the background color, you can change the background color, which you can't do in a combo box which you have taken from form controls. Okay, see the background color change. If you want, you can change, like if you bring a cursor here, what should be the arrow sign. Here you have mouse pointer. From here you can change it. Say it should be of cross. And more features you can change. Now I want to show a list. Which list you want to show? It is here. And where you want to display the result, whatever option is selected. That can be done here, like linked cell. I want whatever is selected here should be displayed in I4. So I click this I4 in linked cell. And in list fill range, same, either the name of the list you have created a list, or if you have list in different sheet name explanation mark A1 to A7 list range. Fine. I will use dbt list name. Click on this box. Now if you click here, currently okay, it is in design mode, so I have to just click on this and make design mode off. Now if I see, bring a cursor over here, arrow, down arrow, your cursor sign is changed. I click on it, your answer options are coming. If you select any option, you're getting full text. So this is also one difference, that if you have taken a combo box from form control, whatever you have selected, it index will be appear in that cell where you have linked. Fine. However, if you have taken a combo box from Activex control, whatever text you have selected, its direct text will be shown wherever you have linked it. Okay. Also, you have seen that in combo box which you have taken from form control, you have very limited properties. But when you have taken a form control, sorry, when you have taken a combo box from a Activex, you have a more varieties of properties. Similarly, if you just click on design mode back, select this, and now click on view code. Here you can see, if this is nothing is shown, don't worry. You know that your combo box is in sheet 1. Select sheet 1. From here you can select the name of the object, like dbt name. I have given that combo box name as dbt. From here you can select the events. Now here you can see that you have click event for it, for double click event, drop button click. Many events are there. So if you want certain things to be happen, I'm sorry, on, say for example, mouse key up, key down press, whatever, or double click, you can select this, and you can have whatever the function, you can call this function here in this thing. Fine. Now this thing is not available when you have taken a combo box from form control. However, when you have taken a combo box or a control from Activex control, then you can do coding also. Okay. So there is no much difference, you can say, now if you have taken a combo box or any control from form control or from Activex control. Just one basic difference, like if you have taken a control from form control, it will have limited features. If you have taken a control from Activex control, it will have more features. Fine. So I hope this clears. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Take care. Goodbye.